Welcome to qnawire.
In this question, we have a cylinder on a conveyor belt. Conveyor belt is moving to the right with 8 meters per second. Okay, and then the cylinder is rotating at omega equals to 2 radians per second, counterclockwise without slipping. We are asked to determine, we need to determine the velocities of the cylinder center C and point B at this instant. Okay, so one thing we know that no slipping means that the velocity at A would be, or the speed at A would be 8 feet per second. Okay, so this is 8 feet per second, and then we looking at this situation, the IC will be up here because the VC will be pointing to the right, and similarly VB as well. Okay, so yeah, because VA is pointing to the right, so IC will have to be somewhere above. Okay, so we can find the distance from IC to A. Okay, this is 1 feet. Okay, so there's no slipping, so it has to follow some similar triangle properties. So yeah, and at the same time, it's going to be 8. So it's going to be VA divided by omega. Okay, so it's 8 divided by 2, so it's going to be 4 feet. Okay, so this is 2 feet as well. 2 feet, yeah. Then BC will just be omega times RIC to C. So this is 2 times 3. So this is 6 feet per second. And then VD is equal to omega RIC to B. So this is equal to 2 times 2, 4 feet per second. Okay, so this is VC, and then this is VB. And that's all.